Hey guys, Wade here with Kriete Truck Centers in Racine. Number is 262-340-2282. Today, we got this 2023 MACK Anthem with 303 in the miles. It's got the MACK MP8 engine with 445 horse, automatic transmission, and plenty of manufacturer's warranty remaining. You see it's got good rubber. Truck has been fully serviced, DOT'd, ready to go. Interior also has full cabinets, single bunk. If you like what you see and you have some more questions, give me a call. Again, it's Wade at 262-340-2282, or stop by and see me at Kriete Truck Centers in Racine, or just check us out at kriete.com. Thank you.